Hi guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to solve this problem that appeared in math counts. All right. So the question is, when you add 12 to a number, and then divide the sum by 13. So here is a comma and we have one piece of information. So let's separate it with the coming information, and then you get the same result as when you subtract 13 from the number and then divide the difference by 12. So for this number n, that is in which we are adding 12 in our first condition, and then we are subtracting 13 in our second condition. So let's say we call this number the n. Now we apply these condition. The first condition is when we add 12, and then divide by 13. So it was my first piece of information in this question, that adding 12 in a number n and then divide that sum with the 13, and we get the same result. So we will use the equation symbol here, and this time we have to subtract 13 from that number, and number is n, so we are going to subtract 13 from n, and this time dividing this difference n minus 13 by 12. So now we have to find this value of n here. For this we will use our algebra. So multiplying with 12 and 13 on both sides, we will get 12 times n plus 12 is equal to 13 times n minus 13. So applying our distributive property, we will have 12n plus 144. So this 12 will multiply with n, and then with this 12 is equal to, apply same distributive property here. We will multiply this 13 with n, it will be 13n, and then it will be multiplied with negative 13, and it will become minus 169. So now we have to find n. To find the value of n, to isolate n, we will subtract 12n on both sides. So subtracting 12n on both sides, we are going to subtract 12n. So subtracting 12n on both sides and subtracting 12n here. So we have 12n minus 12n, it will be 0. So we have only 144 on our left hand side is equal to, and 13n minus 12n, here we have 13n minus 12n, it will be n minus this minus 169 will be here, same as it. Now we have to find n. So this time we are going to add 169 to isolate n, because we wanted this n. So to isolate this n, we will add 169 on both sides. So adding 169 on both sides. So on the left side, 144 plus 169, it will be 313. And on the right hand side, we have minus 169 plus 169, and when we add two numbers with the difference sign, we get a 0 by additive identity. So on the right hand side, we have only this n. So n is 313. So now we can verify whenever you solve the word problems, you have to verify your value of n. So let's check. If I add, if I put the value of n now, n is 313. So using 313 and add 12 and then divide it by 13, we get the answer is 325 divided by 13, which is 25. And on the other side, we can 313 minus 13, then divided by 12. So 313 minus 13 is 300, and divided by 12, and again we have 25. So our answer n is equal to 313 is a correct answer, because this number is satisfying both the conditions. So thank you so much. For more videos, please like and subscribe this channel, because on this channel we solve different questions that appear in AMC 8, AMC 10, math counts, and many more competitive exams. Thank you.